got these Mentos. We got this Diet Sunkist. And welcome to BomZastic. Alright, so today in this video, we're going to be putting these Mentos inside of the Diet Sunkist can.
Wow.
Right now. Alright, so y'all see that good? 3, 2, 1. Put them in. Put them in. I think this one lost its fizz a long time ago.
Apparently. That didn't work so well.
That didn't work at all.
So Diet Sunkist is a no-go.
No, it's you know what? Just to get some interesting things.
Ah! Ah! Oh, not on the Mentos. Ah! Alright, so that one didn't go. Alright, did you cut?
Well, that one didn't go. It probably lost its fizz.
Stay tuned. We'll get another one going.
We'll stay tuned. Stay tuned. We'll get another one.
Pause.
We're back. And, we got this Sunkist. Not Sunkist. Pepsi. Instead, which is pretty new Pepsi.
Mentos ready?
Pretty new Pepsi, so yeah. We're gonna open it up. So, pretty basic Pepsi, right? We got our Mentos. Oh! Oh!
Pepsi bomb!
Look at that Pepsi bomb! I'm gonna hold that up. Y'all can see. That did some insane work. Yeah. We're filming this at the same time we filmed the other stuff. I am going to try to put a bit more in just to see if anything will happen. Nothing will probably happen now, but nah, I think it lost its fizz. But that was awesome.
So stay tuned for some more BomZastic experiments. Brought to you by
BomZastic.
BomZastic.
We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.